Hi guys, Rob from Iceboxauto here today. Just going to show you today's install which we've done on a Audi A1. As you can see, this is our OEM style system. I've been waiting to put one of these in for quite a while because everyone seems to be going for the 10.25 and the 13 or the 12.3 inch ones which sit this much vertical in front of the car. So this one here comes with a fold down screen like that, so obviously you can fold it down. It's not motorised, it is a manual flip up, flip down, but as you can see it's nice and smooth. Okay, so this is basically what you would expect on the screen today. So obviously this is the Audi screen, the MMI screen, which is obviously what you normally receive on there. Now this is all touchscreen, not on the MMI side but on the Android side. So basically to go over to the Android side, just simply press the screen. Now the screen's working through the aux of the AMI of the car, so this is where your sound goes through, so just make sure you've got that. We do have this for the 2G and the 3G version if you wish, and this is the home page here. So as you can see, you've got some shortcuts down here which is basically music, telephone, setup and navigation. Your home page here shows original, which takes you back to the original one there. You've got your media side, which basically you can play your music or videos through. If you want to put them onto a USB pen, you can do that too. Here's your phone setup, which is obviously where you pair your phone. You can do your Bluetooth music streaming too, but a lot of people tend to be just wanting to use the Spotify and YouTube Music and SoundCloud and stuff like that. You can do that too by downloading them onto the Android side or simply downloading them onto the your phone. It comes through in the CarPlay app. So I'll just go through a few little sets on the home page. Navigation, this is a home page navigation, so you can add any app of choice. So you can download Google Maps, Waze, whatever onto the Android side, and you can assign it to this app here. So obviously you'll just press that. We've got Google Maps set up today. As you can see, the system's nice, quick and responsive. It does come with an 8-core processor, 464 gig as standard. You can increase that if you wish. Settings setup, so this basically shows a lot of the back-end settings as you would expect with Android. Meter, it's obviously got a speedometer there, so obviously there's your revs there. Obviously can't put my foot down because I'm driving. Obviously I'm doing an install, so obviously there's your speedometer there. This one's DVR camera app. Now this tends not to work. You do have to put your own app on there for using your own DVR camera. The ones we sell with our system come with its own DVR, and then you just add that onto the file manager app here, so I'll show you that in a moment. Okay, so you can see YouTube Music here is already pre-installed. YouTube's on there, Google Maps on there. There's your Play Store if you want to download the applications. As you can see, just really quick and responsive. You can't get any better on an Apple tablet. Excuse me about the banging in the background. We're just finishing off a camera install. This one here is your CarPlay app and your Android Auto if you're an Android user. I've got an Apple phone today, so obviously this shows basically the CarPlay that obviously comes over from our Apple phone. So there's my DAB radio, there's my WhatsApp, there's my Google Maps. So if you want to put Google Maps on there, these are relatable towards having a decent signal on your phone. We are doing the install under the big metal roof, which is our location that we are, so obviously the signal tends to be, you see 2 bars, but as I say, it's pretty good signal. So there's obviously your Google Maps there. If you want to go and use your Apple Maps, there's your Apple Maps, which is for relatable towards Apple phones. Use that too. So if you've got like a Waze or TomTom on your phone, also this will show up on this app here. As you can see, nice and responsive. No lag on our system. So just go back to there. Okay, so the file manager. This is where it basically shows you the internal storage. Also, if you're an IPTV user, if you know what that is, you can upload that on there. You just put the apps on the USB pen, plug it into the cable, and it shows up on here. Let's go back out. Google browser, the interest, GPS antenna test, voice search, Android settings. As I say, these are all pre-installed before you get it. Okay, I think that's pretty much it, guys. Let me just go back to the home page just to show you these are all shortcuts here. Yeah, there you go, and that just basically closes any apps down that we've used in the background. So hope you liked the video, guys. Sorry it's a little bit short today, but as I say, these type of systems, once you've seen them, and a lot of our YouTube videos will show that. So We'll put the link down in the description down below. We'll put our contact details in too, so if you want to get in touch with us, give us a shout. And you have a nice day now. Take care. Bye bye.